Nakaka-touch at nakakaiyak na pagbati ni na Lotlot at Jego sa kaarawan ni Janine, actress na luha. Nagbahagi ng short video si Lotlot de Leon para batiin ang panganay na anak na si Janine Gutierrez. Ayon kay Lotlot, "You'll always be my baby. Wishing you all the beautiful days of your life. Anak, happy birthday. I love you." Sinagot naman agad ito ni Janine, "Love you so much, Mama. Thank you for everything." Samantala, nagbahagi rin ang nag-iisang kapatid na lalaki ni Janine na si Jego Gutierrez na mga video at larawan ng dalaga. Ayon pa nga sa singer, 10/02, huling sayaw day. But most importantly, it's at Janine Gutierrez Day. Love you so much, ate. We really got so lucky. You and we are so grateful to have you. We are also very proud CBs and can wait to see what else is in store. Happy birthday. PS, everyone please watch these clips to see the real her in different moods, including the first time she heard Huling Sayaw. Sinagot agad ito ni Janine ng, "I love you, Kuya."
Nos! Nice! Lumos! Nice! Okay, good night now. Ayaw, puppy! Nos!
Iris.
What are you doing with your mouth?
May simpleng pagbati rin ng ama ni Janine na si Ramon Christopher. At ayon kay Monching, "Happy birthday, ate. I love you so much." At sinagot din ito ni Janine, "Love you, papa." So, happy naman si Nini sa mga naging pagbati ng kanyang mga mahal sa buhay, lalong higit sa kanyang ina, ama at kapatid. Happy birthday, Nini. More blessings to come. Hope you enjoy your day. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.